What's up, my dear Aliholics? I hope that everyone's safe and happy and enjoying the time off of work, and for those who are still working, I'm mentally with you. I also am on a regular 9 to 5 work from home schedule. I recently got an aquarium, well, two actually. The small one is about 15 gallons or 55 liters, and the big one is 55 gallons or about 210. The big tank came with driftwood and we put a few plants into it, but it still looked a bit empty, so I started looking for decorations. Initially I thought about SpongeBob themed ones because I thought it would be funny, but then I saw these and decided to buy them instead. I found 3 different ones in different sizes. This one arrived in a little less than 2 weeks. The 2 holes on the back are for the air to come out of when it's placed inside the aquarium. I'm not sure what the material is. The description says resin. I don't think it's plastic because it does not float. After rinsing it with water and drying it with a towel to reduce the amount of chlorine going into the tank, it was time to submerge it into its new home.
Do you think that fishes will get scared of it?
Hope not.
Stop
It's just like these.
I also decided to get a humidifier to make the inside times during the summer more pleasant. Also, my friend told me about association hacking. Whenever he felt like being productive, he turned on his humidifier with fur oil smell, and after some time his brain started associating the smell of fur oil with productivity. Now when he turns it on, he says that it makes it easier for him to get into the working mood. I thought that it was an interesting idea and I decided to do the same. It was the time to test it. When I filled it with water, I realized that I don't have any aroma oils at home, but I found this eucalyptus massage oil, which has a strong smell. Good enough. I dropped a few drops in and put the thing back together. What really tingled my OCD is the fact that the cord did not go all the way in. But it was no reason to panic, so I decided to fire this thing up. It cycles through colors and there is no option to keep just one of them. The light can be turned off completely by tapping at the power sensor.